Artificial intelligence. This is what everyone is talking about. Especially nowadays, ChatGPT is changing how we live. AI is transforming industries across the globe. We know that. And understanding AI and how ChatGPT work is very important. One thing I know, a lot of people don't have a clue what is AI, how it works, how it is changing our lives. That is why I bring you this simple course, Introduction to AI and ChatGPT. Hi, my name is Imran Afzal, and I've been in IT for over 20 years. I have been teaching IT related courses for a while and have over 1 million students worldwide. I teach some of the best selling and highest rated courses. I earned my bachelor's in CIS from Baruch College, City University of New York, and my MBA from New York Institute of Technology. In this course, we will cover everything from the basics of machine learning and neural networks to advanced topics like natural language processing. But that's not all. We will spend a significant amount of time where you will learn how you could take advantage of ChatGPT and be more productive through real life examples. Whether you are a seasoned professional or just starting your journey into AI, this course is designed to give you the knowledge and skills you need to succeed. So let's go and learn everything about AI and ChatGPT. Hey folks, I request you to please spend just a few minutes with me to go over the course and understand what exactly we are covering in this entire course. I have broken down this course into 8 different sections. Section 1 is about Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, where we will cover what is AI, the history of AI, its features, importance, and then we'll get into ChatGPT. We'll cover the introduction of ChatGPT, the difference between ChatGPT and all the other search engines that are out there. Then we'll talk about the difference between AI and robots. Also, we'll cover the benefits of AI, the limitation and challenges of AI, and what are the ethical consideration of artificial intelligence. Then moving on to section 2, which is about artificial intelligence in daily life. And we'll cover AI in our homes and surroundings, in our smartphones, healthcare, education and e-learning, entertainment world, transportation world, in IT, and in all the other industries. I will cover every one of them and tell you how AI is used today in all of these different sectors. Then moving on to section 3, which is about chatbots and ChatGPT. We'll cover the difference between chatbot and ChatGPT. Then we'll cover history of ChatGPT, ChatGPT versus other chatbots. Then we'll cover the role of ChatGPT in artificial intelligence. Then importance of ChatGPT and how was life before ChatGPT. And of course, how ChatGPT is being used today and every day of our life. All right, then moving on to section 4, which is ChatGPT in our daily life, the most important lecture or most important, sorry, section in this entire course. This is where we're going to cover how ChatGPT is used in all the different parts of our life, starting with homes and surrounding, healthcare, education, career development, in IT, entertainment, transportation, in art. Then moving on to customer service, business finance, law, travel, real estate, corporate world, and all the other industries as combined together. So I will show you all the different people in the world, all in these different fields, how they are taking advantage of ChatGPT. All right, moving on to section 5. That is about ChatGPT user guide. We'll cover ChatGPT dashboard complete guide, how you can work, what are the different features. Then we'll explore ChatGPT's. There are other additional features within that. Then we'll go with a Dolly, which is a tool that creates images for you. Then we'll create how you could have your own ChatGPT for your own self or for your own organization. Then moving on to section 6, understanding the mechanics behind the technology of ChatGPT, meaning how this technology works. And that's what we'll start with the first one. Then we'll get into natural language understanding. Then we'll get into context retention and continuity, user interaction and feedback mechanism, and then we'll cover the limitation and challenges of ChatGPT. Then moving down to section 7, future of AI, ChatGPT, and the jobs. We'll cover what applications that we are using today are moving toward ChatGPT. Then we'll cover why today ChatGPT matters so much. We'll also get into the impact of artificial intelligence on society and employment and ethical implication of AI. We'll also cover future trends and development in AI, AI-driven markets, jobs for ChatGPT experts, and job descriptions. You should definitely focus on this section a lot because this is where the future is heading. And if you want to secure your job, what are the things you should be aware of? Then coming the last section, artificial intelligence working and categories, and we are covering how AI works, categories, machine learning, types of machine learning, natural network and deep learning, generative AI and businesses in e-commerce, generative AI for customer engagement, then generative AI for research and development, and then governance and compliance for artificial intelligence. We are covering so much that you could tell right here from the course overview. Now ask yourself this question. Is this the course that you've been waiting for and is this the right course? If answer comes back yes, then definitely go back and please go ahead and enroll and don't forget to review the course and leave a rating for the course. Thank you and I'll see you inside the course. Hey folks, in this lesson I will provide you with the basic overview of AI, which of course stands for artificial intelligence. So let the excitement begin. Okay, for better clarity, let's first break down the term artificial intelligence. Of course, it is a combination of two words, artificial and intelligence. Artificial refers to anything created by human beings rather than occurring naturally. Before I describe the term intelligence, I want you to take a moment and ask this question to yourself. What do you think of intelligence? Okay, let's check it out. In simple terms, intelligence is the ability to learn, process, and apply knowledge and skills to do your task and solve problems. Just like you take your lessons, create projects, and overcome roadblocks using the knowledge and skills that you learned, right? So, you can simply define artificial intelligence as the creation of machines and systems that are able to learn, process information, apply knowledge and skills to perform actions and solve problems just like humans. AI machines have the ability such as perception, decision making, and adaptation to new situations. Here, perception is the process of analyzing and making sense of the information received through five senses. As per Wikipedia, artificial intelligence is the intelligence of machines or software as opposed to the intelligence of humans or animals. Let's look into it further. AI is a branch of computer science that is about making machines think and act humanly and rationally. Yes, you heard it right. With AI, machines can act and think logically, just like you, me, and all of us, and at some point more efficiently than us. AI made machines can perform tasks like learning, reasoning, problem solving, understanding natural languages, and understanding of the environment as well. These days, AI is helping us in every aspect of our lives. Simple real life examples of AI includes like virtual assistant. Like I'm sure most of you have like Google Assistant. If you have an iPhone, you probably have Siri. If you have Amazon Alexa, that's also like a virtual assistant to you. I will discuss how AI is aiding us and making our lives easier in our upcoming lectures. Now, you might be thinking how AI works. So, in this video, I will tell you the basics, but I promise to provide a detailed lecture on this in a later sections. Okay, let's first understand how humans learn from their experiences. For example, a child learns in the early age that if she screams, the parents will get mad, right? So the child will learn not to scream or try not to scream. Another example would be like an adult who learns that if he comes to work late most of the time, then he can lose his job, right? That's a learning curve. So these are all examples of learning. So machine learns the same way. For example, if you visit a website that sells shoes, then your internet AI learns that you like shoes and it will show you shoe related websites or ads, right? Another example is your smartphone photo app. It learns to recognize and categorize faces or places by analyzing many images, just like you learn to identify friends in the photo. The app then organizes these images accordingly. Okay, so AI, we all know, uses special computer programs to look at lots of information, recognizing patterns, and make decisions. Okay, so now I hope you have a good introduction to AI, and we will discover a lot about it in the upcoming videos. Hey folks, in this video, I will take you to the memory lane of where artificial intelligence started and where it is today. Starting with 1950s, Alan Turing proposed a Turing test that was a way to measure whether a machine could behave intelligently like humans. In 1951, Christopher Strachey developed one of the first computer programs for playing a board game called checkers. That same year, Marvin Minsky created Snark, that was an early artificial neural network. Then in 1955, Arthur Samuel developed the first self-learning game playing program that was capable of improving its play through experience. In 1956, a computer scientist, John McCarthy, organized a workshop called the Dartmouth Workshop, as he first used the name artificial intelligence. It is considered the founding event of artificial intelligence. One important piece of this research was Alan Turing's 1950 paper, where he talked about machine that could think like people. Then MIT Artificial Intelligence Lab was established in 1960s by Marvin Minsky, John McCarthy, Oliver Selfridge, and Jerome Wiesner. In 1961, George DeWaal and Joseph Engelberger invented the first industrial robot called Unimate. It was installed at General Motors. Then in 1964, the first demo of AI program was displayed or demonstrated which could understand natural language. Then in 1966, Joseph Weizenbaum created the first chatbot named Eliza. The same year, a mobile robot named Shaky was developed at Stanford. It was capable of reasoning about its action. During 1970s, progress in AI slowed due to the limited computing power, insufficient understanding of complexity, and reduced funding because people were doubtful about its future. But in 1980s, companies started getting interested again and the Japanese government made a big effort to support it. Moreover, in 1980s, AI research began to include machine learning that refers to a technique where computers learn from data. This led to more practical application of AI. You will learn more about machine learning in the later lectures. Then in 1989, Carnegie Mellon created autonomous vehicles using neural networks. You will learn more about neural networks later on. Then comes 1997, the biggest point that surprisingly shocked the whole world. So, are you ready for it? Okay, in 1997, a Deep Blue, a computer designed by IBM, won against Gary Kasparov. He was the top chess player in the world at that time. In 1999, Sony introduced AIBO, a robotic dog that was capable of interacting with its environment and learning from its experiences. In 2004, the first major autonomous vehicle competition named DARPA Grand Channel was conducted. In 2009, Google started building a self-driving car that led to Waymo. Waymo is an autonomous vehicle company. In 2010, a software company named Narrative Science was founded. Their core technology focuses on using artificial intelligence to convert data into reports and other forms of text. In 2015, a group of technology investors, including Reid Hoffman, Elon Musk, and Peter Thiel, commit $1 billion in long term funding for artificial intelligence. The purpose of the project was to benefit humanity. Then in 2016, IBM Watson defeated Jeopardy champions. IBM Watson is a brainy computer system that answers your questions and helps solve problems, and it is powered by AI and data. Some virtual assistants like Siri, Google Now, and Cortana became popular in 2016. Following events happened in 2016, Google DeepMind's AlphaGo defeated Lee Sedol, who was the world champion Go player. Stanford issued AI's 100 report that explored the potential benefit and risk of AIs developed over the 100 years and recommended pathways for responsible development. Okay, in 2018, neural networks that are also known as large language models were introduced. These models learn by analyzing huge amount of text. For instance, BERT, B-E-R-T, is a system developed by Google that can complete sentences. Okay, then in 2022, ChatGPT was released that is an online chatbot designed by OpenAI. It was probably the most important moment in artificial intelligence revolution. So, you can say that AI is not new. People started working on AI many years ago and it's still developing and growing. All right, I hope you learned a lot about history of AI. I will see you in the next video. Hey folks, in this video we are going to explore the interesting features of artificial intelligence. The goal is to see how AI is used in the world around us. So let's begin. AI has many features, and the first one is learning. Yes, that's the basic feature of AI. AI systems can learn from data or information and improve themselves just like we do on the basis of our own experiences. This data helps AI assess or evaluate situation and give results that meets our need. For example, when you use a translation app, it gets better over time because it learns from more words and sentences. Entertainment platforms like YouTube, Netflix, etc. suggest the relevant videos based on your watch history. Shopping apps such as Amazon, eBay, or Walmart offer products after learning from your purchase history. So it's all about learning. Then the next one is problem solving. The next amazing feature of AI is, of course, problem solving. AI can find solution to complex problems. Isn't it amazing to have a machine that can solve your problems just like smart friend who is good at sorting out your issues? Navigation apps are a simple example of this. These apps suggest the quickest routes by looking at traffic, so you don't mistakenly take a longer paths. The problem-solving elements of AI doesn't stop here. Rather, it helps doctors to diagnose diseases, in finance to predict market trends, and makes games more challenging. All right, the next one is decision making. AI makes decisions by analyzing lots of data and spotting patterns to choose the best action. Chess playing AI is its perfect example. It looks at the chessboard, understands the current situation, and then decides its next move based on the best strategy. All right, then comes perception and understanding. Perception in AI refers to the ability of artificial intelligence systems to understand and make sense of the world around them. This involves processing and analyzing data from various sources, such as cameras, sensors, or text, to recognize patterns, objects, and meanings. Now, for example, image recognition apps can identify objects, people, and their emotions in photos and videos for things like online tagging or security. It also senses the surroundings, helping robots and smart devices to find their way and react, like avoiding barriers or controlling lights. All right, next one is language understanding and interaction. AI can understand and respond to human languages, so it can communicate with us and other systems. It can pick up on what we say or type and then answer back or follow our instructions. Chatbots are like ChatGPT, Google Bard, Gemini, and many more are its examples. While you can interact with other voice assistants, like of course Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri through this voice commands. Then adaptability. It means that AI can adapt and change its behavior based on different situations. For instance, for instance, smart thermostats adjust home temperature based on your routine and weather. They learn from your habits and the external environment to provide the most comfortable and efficient heating or cooling. Yes, isn't it cool? Yes. All right. The next one is automation. AI can do tasks with less or without human involvement. It saves your time and energy while performing your routine tasks perfectly. Now, for instance, robotic vacuum cleaner automatically cleans your house, and automatic washing machine run by themselves using the technology of automation. All right, guys, that's all about features of AI, but it's just a beginning. I will see you in the next lesson. In this video, we will learn about the importance of artificial intelligence. If you are wondering why AI is so important to learn, well, let's find out. Artificial intelligence is increasingly important for several reasons, and the first one is economic impact. AI is transforming industries and creating new job opportunities. For individuals, understanding AI is crucial for staying competitive in the job market and for businesses to remain relevant, advanced, and more customer focused. For example, stores now use AI for personalized recommendations, predicting trends, and managing inventory. This technology not only improves the shopping experience for customers, but also creates new jobs in data analysis and AI systems management. Then the next important is the high demand. AI skills are increasingly in high demand across various industries, whether in healthcare, finance, education, and even in our homes. AI skills have become highly valuable for career development. Moreover, AI knowledge opens doors to a wide range of career paths, including AI developer, data scientist, machine learning engineer, and much more. If you have artificial intelligence, a keyword in your resume, trust me, it will get picked up right away. That's how important AI is becoming. All right, the next one is business optimization. Beyond creating job opportunities, AI smooths operation, enhances customer experiences, and makes your business up to date. Understanding AI can lead to more efficient and effective business strategies. A simple example of AI in business optimization is chatbots on website. These AI tools handle customer inquiries quickly and efficiently, improving customer service while reducing the workload on a human staff. I'm sure you're going to find a lot of website where you could go and you could actually chat on the chatbot. Okay, then the next one is problem solving. AI is being used to address some of the world's biggest challenges, such as climate change, healthcare, and transportation. So, knowledge of AI can help to find solutions to these critical situations from a new data driven aspect. Then the next one is technological advancement. As technology is advancing, AI is becoming a vital part of many systems and devices. Understanding AI helps you stay informed about new developments and how they impact society. This also involves understanding its ethical implications, making informed decisions about technology's use. For instance, smartphones uses AI for voice assistants like Siri or Google Assistant. They help us find information, manage tasks, and understand the user preferences. Then the next one is personal development. AI is a field that encourages critical thinking, problem solving, and creativity. Studying or learning AI encourages creativity and a deeper understanding of the world around us. These days, AI is being applied to every field, either computer science, mathematics, psychology, and many more. If you really want to progress with the world and keep yourself updated with the recent skills, then learning AI is a must. Okay, then next one is global relevance. AI is a global phenomena affecting economies, policies, and cultures worldwide. Understanding AI is a pathway to the modern world. It helps us keep technology and make sense of the global changes. A common example is the use of AI in translation apps. These apps break language barriers, enabling people worldwide to communicate easily. In this way, AI is playing its role in connecting culture and influencing global interaction. So, in summary, artificial intelligence is very powerful when used in the right way. And I would urge you to please embrace artificial intelligence and don't be afraid of it. Don't think that it is going to take away your jobs. No, it is here to improve your work and your lifestyle. All right, everyone, that's all about this video, and I will see you in my next one. Difference between ChatGPT and search engine. Hey everyone, in this video we will learn the difference between ChatGPT and search engine. So let's get started. The first comparison is on the interaction model. ChatGPT is designed to interact in a conversational manner. You can ask question or have a discussion as you would with a human. It remembers the context of the conversation and can provide follow-up information based on previous exchanges. Now, whereas search engine, it operates on a query response model. You enter a query and it returns a list of links with titles and brief description. There's no conversation or context persistence. All right, after interaction model, let's look at another difference on information presentation. ChatGPT synthesizes information and presents it in a text format as part of a conversation. It can summarize, clarify, and present complex ideas in a more accessible way. Now, search engine, on the other hand, provides a list of links to external sources. You need to visit these links for detailed information one by one. All right, then comes the data source. ChatGPT knowledge is based on the data it was trained on, which includes a vast range of internet texts up to its last update. It doesn't have real-time access to the internet. Now, when it comes to search engine, it has real-time access to the internet and can provide the most current information available from website across the web. Then the next one we'll talk about is functionality. ChatGPT, beyond answering questions, can assist in tasks like writing, tutoring, coding, and more in a conversational format. Whereas search engine primarily used for finding websites or information on the internet. Some search engines also provide quick answers, calculations, or conversions. Then comes the accuracy and reliability. ChatGPT can sometimes make errors or provide outdated information since it's limited to knowledge up to its last training data, whereas search engine directs you to external sources and the reliability depends on the chosen websites. It's more like to provide up-to-date information. All right, then get on to user experience. ChatGPT offers a more personal and engaging experience, mimicking human-like interaction. Whereas search engine, which is more utilitarian and focused on quickly directing you to the external sources. All right, to summarize this, while ChatGPT provides a conversational and synthesized approach to information, traditional search engines are more about directing you to a wide range of current external sources. Each has its strength and is useful in different contexts. All right, that's about it, folks. I'll see you in the next video. Hey, folks, in this lecture, you will learn about the difference between artificial intelligence and robots. Let's first look at both of them one by one. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that is focused on creating machines or software that can think, learn, and make decisions similar to the human mind. On the other hand, a robot is a machine that is designed using AI to perform tasks automatically. It is programmed to follow specific instructions. Now let's move toward their differences. The first one is nature. Okay, very first thing is the difference in their nature. AI is purely a software or the brain of the system that exists in the digital world, while robots are the body or a physical machines with motors, sensors, and other hardware. Then the function and operation. AI focuses on thinking processes like learning, analyzing, and problem solving. AI can be part of various applications, from simple smartphone apps to complex data analysis systems. And robots are concerned with doing or executing tasks. These range from simple repetitive actions or the complex processes. Then we have control and independency. AI can operate independently and make decisions based on programming and data. It doesn't require a physical form to function. But robots, on the other hand, can be manually controlled by humans or automated using AI. Their physical actions are the primary function. For example, self-driving cars uses sensors and cameras to move around the road according to the path and traffic flow. So the car itself is an example of a robot, while the AI part comes in with the software that processes data from the sensors and cameras. This AI makes decisions about steering, speed, and navigation based on real time road and traffic conditions. The next one is development and design. AI involves software development and focuses on programming, well defined instructions or algorithms, and data handling. And robots combine mechanical engineering, electronics, and sometimes AI for intelligent operation. The next one is application areas. AI is used in diverse fields for tasks like data analysis, natural language processing, and predictive analysis. while robots are commonly used in manufacturing, healthcare, service industries, and personal use like robotic vacuum cleaners or assembly lines. Then we have adaptability. Some AI systems can learn, adapt, and improve over time on the basis of data, whereas robots often perform repetitive tasks, but advanced robot use AI to adapt to new challenges. So, AI and robots are related but different concepts. AI is basically a technology, while robots are the applications of it. All right, students, that's all for this video. I hope you now have a clear understanding of both AI and robots. I'll see you in the next video. In this video, we will cover why everyone is talking about artificial intelligence and how it is providing amazing benefits to us and changing our lives. So let's get started. So the first thing is time saving. A huge benefit of AI is that it saves time by automating routine tasks flawlessly. For example, AI helps in business by scheduling meetings and responding to customer queries automatically. It can also reply to emails quickly. This means employees don't spend time on these routine tasks. Instead, they can focus on the more important things. Then, reduce errors. AI powered systems can perform tasks with greater accuracy and consistency that minimizes human error and improve overall quality. For example, AI is used in hospitals to read x-rays. It can spot tiny details that humans might miss. This helps doctors diagnose patients more accurately. Then the next one is minimize risk. No technology is complete without risks, but AI plays a crucial role in improving safety in dangerous scenarios. It can handle tasks that are too risky for humans and enhance human safety. For example, robots can defuse bombs. Self driving cars use special programs that can help avoid accidents. AI can do tasks that are too risky for people. Then 24/7 availability. AI assistant like Siri or Alexa are like helpful friends that never sleep and are always there for you. So if you need assistance or have questions like 3 a.m. in the morning, they're always there to help, whether it's answering questions, scheduling appointments, or playing music. The only condition is that you gotta have your phone charged. Okay, the next one is a digital assistants. AI acts as digital assistants in many ways and help you search for information quickly and accurately. AI can also guide you in learning new topics. Plus, it can assist in creating activities such as writing poetry or designing art. This technology makes it easier to access a wide range of knowledge and skills. Its real life example is a smartphone voice assistant. You can ask it any question and get an instant answer. It can also suggest learning resources according to your interests. Then we have new inventions. AI is being used by scientists and engineers to create amazing things every day. For example, they are making artificial limbs or prosthetic that feels almost like a limbs. Moreover, robots are being designed that can explore other planets. Those possibility of what AI can help invent are really exciting. Then unbiased decision. AI can look at information without being influenced by human emotions. This helps in making fair decisions, like deciding on loans or in justice system. It's like having a neutral and fair judge. Then data analysis. AI algorithms can analyze massive data sets much faster and more accurately than humans. These provide valuable understanding or facts for better decision making. In finance, AI algorithms quickly analyze vast amounts of market data. They predict stock trends more accurately than humans. This helps investors make better investment decisions and, of course, make a lot of money. Then we have risk management and fraud detection. Artificial intelligence algorithms can quickly spot unusual and suspicious pattern in data. They work in real time and constantly scan for anything that doesn't look right. They help stop money loss and cyber attacks. For instance, in online banking, these algorithms can identify unusual account activity, like a sudden large withdrawal, and alert both the bank and the consumer. This quick detection helps in taking immediate action to prevent theft or fraud. Then the last one, but of course not the least, advancement in scientific research. AI aids in scientific research by quickly processing large amount of data. It can look through extensive research information and identify key patterns and trends. It speeds up the discovery process and helps scientists to develop new hypotheses and understand facts more efficiently. Okay, everyone, these are just a few benefits of AI. Always remember that AI is a vast field that is developing day by day. With every passing day, AI will be bringing much more benefits to us. So let's keep learning and growing. I'll see you in the next video. In this video, we will explore some of the limitation and challenges of artificial intelligence. The first one is no emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence means to understand and manage yours and others' feelings and emotions. AI doesn't have feelings or emotion and it can't understand your emotion or show empathy. It's just a computer program. Imagine you are talking to a customer service chatbot online. You might be feeling frustrated or upset about a problem with your order. The chatbot can give you information and help you to solve the issue, but it can't truly understand how you are feeling or offer genuine sympathy. As a result, this might make you more upset and frustrated. Then, privacy concern and security risk, which is, of course, one of the biggest concern. AI can collect and use a lot of personal data. This can be a problem for privacy, as your information may be used in ways that you don't like. Additionally, hackers can misuse AI for unethical activities, such as creating fake videos or spreading misinformation about you. Some people might use it with the criminal intent for destructive purpose as well. Then expensive and complex. The other big limitation of AI is that it is not affordable for everyone to incorporate into their business. Building and using AI can be expensive and complicated. It requires a strong budget and special expertise to handle and operate these systems that are beyond the reach of smaller organizations. Then we have the lack of creativity and innovation. AI is good at copying what already exists and on what it has been trained on. But AI finds it hard to understand new ideas and it follows instructions and needs our help in this regard. In creative work, AI can help but can't invent new things like human, as it relies on what it already knows based on the data provided. Then data dependence. AI needs a lot of data to learn from and it can't do much without it. So, if there isn't enough data, or if the data is biased or outdated, AI might not work well. Therefore, it is really crucial to train AI on accurate facts and data so that it doesn't mislead people by providing wrong or outdated facts. Then We have the loss of job, which a lot of people are concerned about. Loss of job is a very serious concern about AI is that it will replace many jobs that previously used to be performed by humans. It can automate some jobs from simple repetitive tasks to more complex problem-solving roles. AI is particularly adept at automating routine or repetitive tasks. Jobs that involve tasks like data entry, basic customer service, and simple manufacturing processes are more susceptible to being replaced by AI. So if you're doing a job in one of those capacity, then you should definitely look into enhancing your skills and become more productive by embracing AI. Okay, students, the above are the few drawbacks of AI, but it doesn't mean at all that AI is not being beneficial for us. The purpose is to make you fully aware of the facts so that you completely know how to master yourself with technology and how to fix the issues efficiently. In this video, we will learn about ethical consideration of artificial intelligence. As AI is becoming a big part of our lives, and you will learn so much about AI from this course. Therefore, it is my responsibility to teach you how to use AI in a way that is fair and right. The first thing we need to understand what is ethical consideration in AI. Ethical consideration in AI are a set of principles and guidelines that help us ensure that the development and use of artificial intelligence is fair, just, and beneficial for the society. It is like a guide to do what's right and what's wrong in the tricky world of AI, where strong technology meets human values. All right, some key areas of ethical concern in AI are the first one is a right intention. It's our moral responsibility to use AI for the betterment of the society and overall welfare of people. AI should be created and used with the aim of achieving positive outcomes. AI is not designed or used for harmful purposes, such as causing harm, deceiving users, abusing anyone's right, breaching confidentiality, or misleading people. It should aim to solve important problems and improve the quality of life. Now, for example, AI can be used in healthcare to diagnose diseases more accurately and quickly, and it can save lives. But if it is used unethically, then it can hurt people. Then the next one is psychological and emotional impact. Depending too much on AI for company or decisions might not be good for our feelings and how we connect with others. It may cut us off from society and people lonely in the world. If people will rely too much on a computer program for advice and friendship and always trust the computer instead of actually talking to real people, then it can affect their emotions and social interactions. It's important to balance technology with the real human connections. Then the fairness. AI should treat all people fairly and without bias. This means making sure that AI doesn't favor one group of people over another. For example, in a job application process, AI should evaluate all candidates equally, no matter what their background is. Then we have safety. AI must be safe for everyone to use. It must be designed and operated in a way that it causes no physical harm to humans. Rather, it should protect them from various risks, including threats, and providing safer environment. Then we are talking about transparency and clarity. People should be able to understand how AI makes its decision. It's important that AI should not be a mystery anymore, and users should know the basis on which it operates. Now, for example, if an AI is used for grading exams, then students should know on what criteria it evaluates answers. Okay, and then the last one is the responsibility. The creators and users of AI should be accountable for its actions. They need to ensure that the AI acts correctly and ethically. If an AI makes a mistakes, like wrongly declining a loan application, there should be a checks and balances to rectify the mistake. All right, that's all for today. Let's follow these guidelines to create a future where AI not only advances technology but also contribute positively to the society. Welcome to the fascinating world of artificial intelligence in our daily lives. When you hear the word AI, then I'm sure you are thinking of robots or ChatGPT, right? But AI is a lot more than that. And this is what I will be covering in this entire section. AI is everywhere, and that's the word you will be hearing most likely every day. AI is a tool that not only solves complex problems, but also simplifies our daily tasks. Yes, that's the magic of AI. If you are learning AI, then you should know where AI is used in our world and how it is changing our lives. So let's learn something together in this section. Many times we don't notice the great things we have in life, and AI is one of them. In this video, we will go over the list of all AI control devices we have in our homes, which made a big impact on our lives. Let's start with smart home devices. Some of you might have used voice assistant like Alexa or Google Home, right? These devices can play music, set alarm for you, or tell you about the weather just by listening to your voice. Imagine saying, Alexa, set the alarm for 7 a.m. in the morning, and it does the job for you. That's how AI is making our lives easier. Okay, AI is not just making our life easier, but more secure as well. Yes, thanks to AI that has enhanced our home security system. For instance, security cameras can now detect motion and differentiate between a person and an animal. That's sick. So, if someone is at your door, your phone alerts you, and it is really a great way to feel safer at home. All right, now let's look at the smart appliances. In the kitchen, AI is changing things too. Have you heard of smart refrigerator? They can track what's inside and even suggest recipes based on the ingredients you have. It's like your fridge is helping you decide what to cook. So now you don't have to worry about what you are preparing for a meal. Other smart home appliances are like oven, dishwasher, washer dryer, and many more. All right, then moving down to smart lighting system, which is in our homes that can adjust the brightness and color of your lights based on the time of the day, your preference, or our activities. They create the perfect atmosphere and can even help you save energy. Beautiful. Moving on, let's not forget our smart TV, which comes under the entertainment and streaming services. AI algorithms suggest movies, TV shows, and music based on your viewing and listening history, improving content recommendation over time. Then moving down to smart thermostats. Smart thermostats like Nest adjust the temperature based on your habits. They learn when you are usually home and set the temperature to your liking. So they save energy and make your home more comfortable. Then we have nowadays automated vacuum cleaners. AI is helping us to make our homes or surrounding clean. For example, robots are already cleaning airports in Australia, right? Moreover, robot vacuum cleaners like the Roomba use AI to learn the layout of your home and clean the floor on their own. They can reach every corner of your home, avoid obstacles or barriers like furniture, and find their way back to the charging station. All right, then we have health and fitness tracker. You might have seen people wearing fitness bands or using health applications. These devices use AI to track our activities like walking and sleeping and give us advice on how to be healthier. They are like personal health coaches on our wrists. Then we have smart gardening system. In our garden, smart irrigation system use AI to water plants with the right amount. They can check the weather and soil moisture while ensuring plants get the care they need without wasting water. Okay, some of the other ones are like personalized shopping and cooking assistant, learning and educational tools, pet care, and so many others. So AI is making our lives more comfortable and enjoyable, from how we listen to music to the way we cook, walk, and sleep. The biggest advantage AI is serving us is that it is saving our valuable time, resources, and energy. It is exciting to think about how AI will continue to grow and become an even more integral part of our daily lives. In this video, we will learn how artificial intelligence is used in our smartphones that we carry all the time. AI features in smartphones have significantly enhanced user experience and functionality. Here we'll go over some of the key areas where AI is commonly used in our smartphones. The first one is camera enhancement. AI algorithms improve image and video quality by optimizing settings based on the scene, lighting, and moment. Then we have voice assistants. Just like as if you have the home voice devices at home, smartphone also comes with AI powered voice assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, and Bixby. These assistants understand natural language, make recommendation, answer questions, and perform tasks like setting reminders or even sending messages. Then we have predictive text and autocorrect. AI enhances typing experiences through predictive text and autocorrect features, learning from your typing habits to suggest words and correct your mistakes. Then battery life optimization. AI helps manage battery life by analyzing usage pattern and adjusting resources allocation accordingly. It can close background apps and adjust settings to extend battery life. Then the face recognition, which is one of the most powerful security feature of smartphone. Many smartphones uses AI for secure facial recognition systems. These systems continuously learn from variations in appearances, like changes in facial hair or glasses, to improve accuracy. Then there is augmented reality, in short, AR. AI powers AR applications, enabling real time object recognition and interaction with digital elements overlaid on physical world. This feature is mostly used in gaming. Then there is health and fitness tracking. AI algorithms process data from various sensors to provide insights on health and fitness, like step count, heart rate monitoring, and sleep analysis. Then there is security and fraud detection. AI enhances security by detecting unusual activities or patterns that might indicate a security breach or fraudulent activity. Then there is customized user experience. Your artificial intelligence in your phone learns from your user preference and behaviors to customize the user interface, notification, and content recommendations. Then there is language translation and transcription. Real time language translation and speech to text feature are made more accurate and efficient with artificial intelligence. Then there is gesture control. Some smartphones use AI to interpret hand gesture as commands, allowing touch free control of certain features. Then the last one is, of course, not the least one. There are many others. That is content curation. AI tailors news feeds and social media content based on user interest and past interactions. So, these AI features in smartphone not only make daily tasks more convenient but also open up new possibilities for interactions and functionality. As AI technology continues to evolve, trust me, we can expect even more innovative features in future smartphone models. And I can't wait for that. Hey folks, in this video, we will explore the wonders of artificial intelligence in healthcare. AI is showing its miracles in this sector and saving lives. So, one of my course objectives is that you learn and understand how AI is used everywhere around us in our daily life. All right, so let's get started. So, first one is test examination and predictions. AI powered programs are increasingly aiding doctors in analyzing medical data more efficiently and accurately. These programs excel as detecting anomalies in blood tests that might be challenging for humans to identify. Additionally, AI algorithms significantly improve the analysis of medical imaging, such as X rays and MRIs or CT scans, enabling quicker and more accurate diagnosis. They are particularly effective in diagnosing complex diseases like cancer, diabetes, and heart conditions, often surpassing traditional methods in speed and accuracy. Then we have robot assisted surgery. Wow. AI powered robots assist surgeons in performing precise and minimally invasive surgeries. These robots can analyze data from pre operation medical records to guide a surgeon's instrument in real time during surgery and, of course, improving outcomes. Then there is genetic research. AI is aiding scientists in genetic research as well. DNA is a complex code in our bodies, and AI helps scientists understand this code much quicker than before. Then there is elderly care. AI powered robots can help elderly people stay independent longer. These robots can do things like remind them to take their medication, help them with housework, and even provide them company. AI can also be used to monitor elderly people's health remotely. Now, AI has become a watchful guardian angel for senior citizens. Then, mental health services. There are smart robots and online helpers that use AI to talk to people and offer them therapy. They are really useful, especially in areas where there are not many therapists or counselors. These AI helpers can listen to people's problems and give advice, just like a real therapist provides. Then there is personalized medicine. AI can analyze a personal health records and genetic information to predict their risk of getting certain illness. Drug discovery and development. AI speeds up the process of creating and testing new medicines. For example, if scientists are trying to make a new medicine for a disease like flu, AI can help them figure out which ingredients might work best. It can also help test these ingredients quickly to see if they are safe and effective. Then there's rehabilitation and therapy. AI powered robots and virtual reality systems can assist people in doing physical therapy exercise in more fun and effective way. For instance, a person who needs to do exercises for their arms could use a robot that guide them through the movement. At the same time, they might wear a VR headset that shows them in a game or virtual world, making the exercises real fun like activity. This combination of robots and VR can make therapy more enjoyable and help people recover faster. Okay, there are a lot more, but of course, to summarize the rest of the list that AI is used in are like virtual health assistants, predictive analytics for patient monitoring, healthcare administrative tasks, epidemiology and public health, genomics and gene editing, training and education, and so much more. In conclusion, AI is making advancement in healthcare to its maximum and serving humanity well. Now it's our job to equip ourselves with the technology of era and keep growing and learning. Hey boys and girls, in this video I have brought you another exciting topic that is education and e-learning with artificial intelligence. Let's explore how AI is making education more engaging and easier for us. So, the first one we'll talk about is personalized or adaptive learning. These platforms use AI to analyze a student's performance in real time and adjust the curriculum accordingly. They are designed to ensure that the level of difficulty and the pace of learning content match with the student's capabilities. This method is used in maintaining student engagement and challenge levels. Of course, preventing feelings of frustration or being bored. Some of its examples or platform examples are Dreambox Learning, which is for math. There is also Smart Sparrow. Another one is Squirrel AI Learning, Rosetta Stone, and Butterfly AI. All right. The next one, how AI is changing education, is about intelligent tutoring system, in short, ITS. ITS are advanced systems that simulate or copy one-on-one instructions by providing personalized feedback and guidance to students. They are like having a virtual tutor that can assist you with specific problems or concepts. These systems are particularly useful in subjects like math, science, and language learning. They are used in educational institutions as well as in corporate training environment. Carnegie Mellon University cognitive tutors and Duolingo for language learning are examples of such systems. Then personalized recommendations. This aspect of AI in education involves suggesting learning materials such as articles, videos, or practice exercise based on the student's learning history, interest, and performance. This is similar to how streaming services recommend movies or music. So, in education context, this helps in keeping the learning relevant and of course engaging. These recommendations are often a feature within broader educational platforms and are used in schools, universities, and online learning platforms like Udemy, LinkedIn Learning, Coursera, and many more. Then moving on to interactive learning. AI can make learning fun, of course, through educational games that adapt to your learning level. These games use AI to understand that you already know what you need to learn next. For instance, an app like Prodigy Math Game helps students solve math problems to progress through a fantasy world. Excellent. All right, moving on. The next one is language translation and support. AI can help translate learning materials into different languages. So, with AI, there are no language barriers in education anymore. AI is being used in Google Classroom, where it can automatically translate documents, assignments, and feedback into many languages. This feature allows students from different linguistic backgrounds to access and understand educational content in their native language. Quizlet is an online learning tool that uses AI to offer its learning tools in multiple languages. Students can learn and practice in their preferred languages or even use platforms to learn new languages. Other examples are Yandex Translate, Papago, Amazon Translate, IBM Watson Language Translator, iTranslate, Say Hi Translate, and many more. Then moving on, automated grading and feedback. AI can quickly grade tests and give feedback about students' performance. So teachers don't have to worry about these details and they can focus more on teaching. For instance, Turnitin is a well-known educational technology company that offers a tool called GradeScope. This AI-powered tool allows teachers to grade assignments and exams more quickly and consistently. Moreover, Pearson is an education, publishing, and assessment service that uses AI to grade students' essays as well. All right, then data-driven insights. AI technology in education can analyze large amount of data from students' activities like test scores, assignment submissions, and online participation. This analysis helps teachers to get deep insights into each student's learning progress. By understanding learning patterns like which topics students find challenging or how quickly they grasp new concept, AI can identify specific area where each students need more support or advanced material. A platform named Newton Alta is one of its example. All right, everyone, that's all for this video, and I will see you in the next one. In this video, we will explore what kind of advancement AI or artificial intelligence has made in the entertainment world. So let's get started. The first one is content creation. AI is now used in the creation of music, movies, and video games. How? AI algorithms can compose music, write scripts, or help in creating special effects in movies. Nice. On top of that, AI can assist in editing process by suggesting the best cuts and angles for scenes. It can also analyze scripts to predict audience reaction and success potential. Content creation examples are the first one is ChatGPT by OpenAI, an advanced language model used for writing assistance, content generation, and creative writing. I just want you to sit tight because we have a whole section later where we will learn everything about ChatGPT. Then there is Grammarly, which is AI-based writing assistant for grammar checking, style improvement, and plagiarism detection. Then there is Quillbot, a paraphrasing and summarizing tool that helps rewrite or refine existing content. Then there is Articulo, AI tool for generating short articles and assisting in content ideation. Other content creation AI tools are Wordsmith, Jarvis, Canvas Magic Write, Copy AI, Adobe Sensei, DeepArt, Crayon, and so many more. Then there is personalization. Streaming services like Netflix and Spotify use AI to analyze your viewing and listening habits. This helps them recommend movies, TV shows, or music that you might like, providing a personalized experience. AI algorithm can adjust the thumbnails and promotional contents with your cultural preference and watch history. Then comes interactive video games. In video games, AI is being used to create more realistic and intelligent non-player characters. It also helps in designing games that adapt to players' style, making games more engaging. AI can create enemies that react to your every move and makes games feel more like real and exciting than ever before. How exciting would it be to defeat a villain who learns from your moves? Then there is virtual reality and augmented reality. Augmented reality puts digital image over real world views. AI makes playing games or watching movies in VR and AR feel more like you are part of the story. With AI, the story in a game or movie can change depending on what you do or how you react. The first example of VR or AR is PlayStation VR. Sony's VR gaming headset for the PlayStation console, offering immersive gaming experience with AI enhanced graphics and gameplay. Then there is Oculus Quest, a standalone VR headset by Facebook, which is now made of, featuring AI powered hand tracking and interactive gaming experiences. Then there is Microsoft HoloLens, an AR headset providing mixed reality experiences used in various interactive games and entertainment applications. Then Pokemon Go, a popular AR mobile game by Niantic, where players catch virtual Pokemon in real world location using AI for location tracking and game interaction. Other examples for VR and AR include Snapchat lenses, Google AR Core, Tilt Brush by Google, Beat Saber AR Kit by Apple, Skyrim VR, Magic Leap 1, VR Chat, Ingress, and so many more. Then the next one is deepfakes. AI can create highly realistic deepfakes. Deepfakes are videos where one person's face or voice is replaced with someone else. This technology can be used in movies to de age actors or bring historical figures to life as well. In Hollywood, a film, The Irishman, used this AI technology to make the actor Robert De Niro look younger in certain scenes. Similarly, in Bollywood, a famous actor, Shah Rukh Khan, used this technology in his movie Fan. Then the next one is automated animation. Automated animation, often involving AI or computer generated techniques, has been used in various films to enhance visual effects and animation. One notable example is the movie The Lion King. This film is often cited for its pioneering use of advanced computer generated imagery in short CGI and virtual production techniques. Other movies that use automated animations are Avatar, Game of Thrones, Westworld, Toy Story series, Transformers series, Frozen, Life of Pi, and so many more. Then moving on to the next one, which is enhanced customer experience. AI driven chatbots and virtual assistants are used in various entertainment platforms to interact with users. These can answer their queries like what is the movie of the month, timings, rating, etc., and enhance their overall experience by providing easy and fast information. They also assist in troubleshooting, like helping with account or technical issues. Moving on, the next one is data analytics. AI analyzes large amounts of data to help studios and producers understand audience preferences. AI can predict future trends by analyzing patterns in viewers' behavior that guide studios in deciding what project they should pursue next. For instance, the decision to produce a Netflix series, House of Cards, was significantly influenced by AI data analytics techniques. With every passing day, AI is bringing more advancement for us in every field. So we must embrace this technology and keep ourselves updated with such trends. So let's keep learning together. In this video, we will learn how artificial intelligence has been revolutionizing the transportation world. The first one we'll talk about is autonomous vehicles. Those self-driving cars uses AI to make decisions as similar to a cautious driver. These self-driving cars not only recognizing traffic signals and road signs, but they also adjust their speed and directions to match traffic condition. Examples of these autonomous vehicles are Waymo, formerly the Google self-driving car project, one of the leaders in autonomous vehicle technology. Waymo has developed a range of self-driving vehicles and has been conducting public trials. Then there is Tesla Autopilot. While not fully autonomous yet, Tesla advanced driver assistance system provides features like auto steering, traffic aware cruise control, and much more. Then moving on to Cruise, a subsidiary of General Motors. Cruise is focused on developing and deploying autonomous ride-sharing vehicles, particularly in urban environment. Then there is Uber Advanced Technology Group. Uber has invested significantly in autonomous vehicles research, aiming to integrate self-driving cars into its ride-sharing service soon. Right now, the biggest expense Uber has is the drivers, so they are investing a lot in autonomous cars. All right, other companies that are investing heavily in autonomous vehicles are Aptiv, Nuro, Beidou Apollo, Aurora, Zox, which is by Amazon, and so on. Then we are going to move on to artificial intelligence in traffic management. With AI, traffic lights can adjust the timing based on how many cars are on the road. By analyzing traffic data in real time, AI can optimize traffic flow, reducing congestion and saving you time. Several countries around the world are implementing AI in traffic management to improve traffic. The first one we'll talk about is the United States. City like Los Angeles, Pittsburgh's have been using AI in traffic signals to optimize and reduce congestion. Then there's China. Major cities like Beijing and Shanghai uses artificial intelligence for traffic monitoring. Then there is Singapore, known for its Smart Nation initiative. Singapore uses AI in traffic management systems to optimize traffic flow and public transport. A few other countries are United Kingdom, Japan, India, Germany, Canada, South Korea, United Arab Emirates, and so on. Then we will talk about artificial intelligence powered in transportation, meaning public transportation. All right, AI is making public transportation more efficient and user friendly. These AI systems can provide passengers with real time updates on their phones like the estimated time of arrival and seat availability. Real life examples of AI in public transportations are smart buses, namely Moya in Germany and Via in United States. Then predictive platform delays in City Mapper in UK, TriMet in United States, and SBB in Switzerland. Then another example is real-time updates example includes Transit app in Sweden and DB Navigator in Germany. Examples of traffic light prioritization technology include Shenzhen in China and Bordeaux in France. Then we'll talk about air travel with artificial intelligence. AI is revolutionizing air travel as well. From optimizing flight paths to reducing fuel consumption, AI algorithms assist in making air travel more efficient and eco-friendly. Real life examples of AI in air travel includes flight path optimization, and that is the feature used by United Airlines, which uses optimized software to improve fuel efficiency and reduce carbon emissions. Another one is Air France employs a similar system called Skybreathe. Then within the air travel, there is aircraft maintenance prediction software. Lufthansa Technik uses Predicta software to predict problems and plan maintenance ahead of time. SIA Engineering uses AI powered tools to predict maintenance needs for different airlines, making sure planes are dependable. Then another revolution in air travel for AI is personalized passenger experience. Air Asia uses AI to suggest in flight entertainment tailored to you and offer special deals. Just like that, Emirates uses chatbots and virtual helpers to make check ins easier and answer questions quickly. All right, then we're talking about intelligent maritime navigation. All right, in the world of maritime transport, AI is a game changer as well. AI driven systems help in plotting optimal shipping routes after considering factors like weather conditions, sea current, and fuel efficiency. Furthermore, AI aids in monitoring maritime traffic, enhancing safety at sea by alerting crews in potential hazards or collisions. Now, let's look at the real life examples of AI in intelligent maritime navigation. The first one is route optimization. For route optimization, there is a Yara Birkeland autonomous container ship in Norway. Mazurek Oceanus, AI-powered route planning in Denmark. Shell AI-powered navigation system in Netherlands. All right, that was for route optimization. Now, let's look at predictive maintenance for maritime navigation. Rolls-Royce Intelligence Awareness System in United Kingdom. Finland is using a system Varsila Scientist Awareness. Then there's Germany, who uses Man Energy Solutions Omni Power Optimization. All right, then maritime traffic monitoring for AI, where AI is involved. Let's look at Singapore, that is using Fujitsu human-centric AI. Then United States, who uses Navis Safe Route, and Norway uses Kongsberg Maritime Vessel Traffic Management System. All right, then let's look at AI in smart parking solutions. AI is helping us to overcome urban parking challenges by using AI algorithms. Smart parking systems guide drivers to available parking spots that reduce time spent on searching and also prevents congestion that is caused by circling cars in that search process. All right. I could definitely relate to that because I live in New York and it is very hard to find a parking spot in New York. And having this smart AI solutions in hand has saved us a lot of time and we don't have to go around, circle around finding a parking spot. In summary, AI is constantly evolving, so the possibility for the AI involvement are endless. All right, I'll see you in the next video. In this video, we will learn how AI has been revolutionizing the IT world. So let's get started. The first stop is the voice recognition. AI-powered voice assistants are revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. These systems like Amazon Echo and Google Home uses advanced algorithms to understand and respond to spoken language. We can use voice commands to dictate emails, create documents, and set reminders. This can help us to become more productive and efficient in our work. This has made it possible for us to control our devices, get information, and even stay entertained using nothing but our voices. Then there is spam filtering. AI powered spam filters are smart tools in email services that help keep our inbox free from unwanted emails. They work by checking every email that comes in, learning to spot signs that show if an email might be spam. These filters look for things like strange words, odd email layouts, or links that don't seem right. For example, in 2021, Outlook introduced an updated spam filtering feature. All right, then cybersecurity. AI in cybersecurity works like an alert watchman for your online life. It always scans all your internet activity, from emails and website visits to downloads, and looks for anything suspicious. AI functions similarly to a security system for your home. It allows access to known people like your friends, but if a stranger tries to sneak in, like an odd email or weird login attempt, AI raises the alarm and might even stop them before they cause any trouble. So relax and enjoy the internet knowing AI has your digital back 24/7. Companies like Microsoft, Google, IBM, Palo Alto Networks, and CrowdStrike are the leading charge in AI powered cyber defense. All right, then moving on to network security. AI in network security ensures the data flows smoothly and securely. It continuously analyzes network pattern to identify and resolve hurdles and maintain optimal performance. Companies like Cisco, Juniper, Palo Alto Network, Fortinet, McAfee, and a few others are benefiting from this AI advancement. All right, then moving down to data backup and recovery. AI in data backup and recovery analyzes how you use your data and predicts possible problems to prevent data loss. The AI system can automatically back up your data to the cloud, ensuring that your files are secure and easily recoverable in case of any issue. All right. One of the big examples are like a Google Drive or Dropbox. They are the one who are using artificial intelligence to perform their data backup and recovery if needed. Then we are moving on to the software development. AI assists in code generation and debugging, making software development faster and more efficient. AI powered tools can predict potential issues and suggest improvement in the code. Then moving down the line is DevOps. AI integrates into DevOps for better collaboration and automation in the development process. It enhances continuous integration and deployment, ensured CI/CD pipelines for more efficient workflows. Then moving down the aisle, we have automated software testing. Automated software testing with AI streamlines the process of checking software for bugs, which is often seen as a dull and time consuming task. AI leverages algorithms to automatically create and execute test cases on the software by efficiently identifying any potential issues. Companies using AI for testing software include Apple Tool, Testim, Functionalize, Mabel, etc. Now let's look at other areas where AI is significantly involved. Here is a list. AI is involved in data management analysis of IT, cloud computing, network management, user experience and interface, quality assurance, predictive analysis, IT support and service desk, and innovation and research. And there are many other areas where AI has been revolutionizing information technology since AI is a piece of information technology itself. Hello, everyone. How's your AI exploration journey going so far? Well, in this lecture, we will learn how AI is aiding in other industries like finance and banking, manufacturing, retail, energy, and so on. We will look closely at how AI is changing these areas in new and exciting ways. So let's begin. The first stop is finance and banking. In finance and banking, AI plays a crucial role in streamlining operations and enhancing customer experiences. It finds and stops fraud by noticing strange patterns. AI also helps bank understand and manage risk by looking at a lot of data. For customers, AI chatbots answer questions fast and well. AI also gives personalized advice and suggests the right banking products to people. Moreover, robots can automate routine tasks like processing transactions or managing data. To name a few banks using AI technology, the first one is Bank of America using Erica. Royal Bank of Canada has Nomi Predictive Analytics. China Construction Bank, smart branches with facial recognition technology. All right, after finance and banking, then let's move to manufacturing. In the manufacturing sector, robots with AI are making employees' lives easy by helping them put stuff together. With the help of cameras and sensors, AI checks products for quality and control. AI also predicts when the machines need fixing, manage supplies, save energy, and make products the way customers want. Here are the names of companies along with the specific AI technology they are using. The first one is Tesla, which using generative design. Then General Electric using Maximo. Then Siemens using Smatic Energy Manager. And then last one is Toyota using Robot Studio. All right. So next one will go on to retail. Artificial intelligence has transformed retail by offering personalized product suggestion, providing customer support through chatbots, and managing inventory efficiently. It also enables faster self-checkout system and help prevents online fraud. These AI-driven changes make shopping quicker, easier, and safer. All right, to name some of the companies using AI in retail industry are Amazon using personalized for product suggestion. Then Walmart uses automated chatbots for customer support. Alibaba using Alibaba Cloud ET Brain. Target uses AI-powered self-checkout system. And eBay, which uses machine learning algorithm for fraud prevention. All right, now after retail, let's move on to energy. The energy field is changing a lot with the use of AI-powered smart grids. These smart systems carefully look at how much energy people used in the past, predict when more or less will be needed, and adjust how power is spread out. It has aided in better resources uses, getting things done faster, and being ready to stop potential problems before they happen. Now let's look at the companies that are using AI. First one is Nest. Nest learning thermostats for energy efficiency and comfort. Then Siemens uses Siemens Energy IP for smart grid management. General Electric uses GE Predix platform for energy optimization. Shell Shell AI for predictive maintenance and energy distribution. Then ExxonMobil using data-driven AI algorithms. And the last one is the Next Era Energy uses AI-assisted analytics for energy production and grid management. All right, let's not stop there. The next stop is telecommunication. AI in the telecommunication communication sector does more than just block spam calls. It improves network performance by predicting and fixing issues before they affect users. AI also personalizes customer service by offering solutions and information based on individual user needs. All right, the companies that are actually using AI in telecommunication, the first one is AT&T, which uses Akimos AI platform for network optimization and customer service enhancement. Then the next company, Verizon, which uses AI-driven predictive analytics. Then T-Mobile, which uses AI algorithms for customer service personalization. Then Vodafone uses Toby AI chatbots. Then Orange, which uses AI Lab for improving network capabilities. All right, moving from telecommunication, then comes in insurance, AI has replaced a lot of paperwork. It also looks at things like whether or how you drive to give you a personal insurance price. This way, each person gets a price that fits their own risk. And in this way, AI makes everything simpler and faster. Okay, all right, companies or insurance companies that uses AI, the first one is Lemonade, which uses AI Gym. Progressive uses Snapshot. Then Metromile uses Metromile AI. Zurich uses Zurich AI. AIG uses AI driven underwriting tools. Beautiful. All right, let's move on to legal services. AI is taking on the job of carefully checking contracts in a legal world as well. So, to name a few companies that uses AI in their legal services, the first one is Kira Systems. Uses Kira. Legal Sifter uses the legal sifter. Thought River, which uses custom implementation of Kira. Law Geeks use Law Geeks AI. and contract pod AI, which uses Amelia. Okay, so much evolution in legal services too, which you will see in many more months to come. All right, then we have construction. AI is revolutionizing the construction industry in various ways. Advanced drones monitor construction sites for safety and progress, while AI software like Autodesk BIM 360, Plan Grid, and Procore assist in designing structures and predicting potential issues. AI tools such as Oracle Equinox and Genie Belt streamline resource management and project scheduling. All right, to name a few companies that's using AI, the first one is Autodesk uses BIM 360, which I mentioned earlier. Then Procore uses Procore software. Then Genie Belt using Genie Belt software. Build Optics using Build Optics software. And AgriTech AI using AgriTech AI software. And then talking about agri-tech, let's move on to agriculture, which is the last one in our list. In agriculture, AI does more than just help with planting, weeding, and harvesting. It also uses data from satellite and sensor to understand soil and weather conditions that help farmers to make better decisions about when to plant and how to care for their crops. Wow, beautiful. AI system can also analyze crop health, control pests, and manage water usage. This all leads to healthier crops, less waste, and more sustainable way of farming. The name of the companies along with the specific AI technology for agriculture process include John Tree, which uses See and Spray, then AgCo, Few Smart Farming uses by AgGo, then Trimble uses Ag software, then Precision Hawk uses Lancaster drone, then Blue River Technology uses See and Spray. All right, beautiful. So you see, folks, there are so many different industries that's using AI at today's time, and imagine how AI is going to revolutionize the world. All right, I'll see you in the next video.